So let's start the introduction.
Yes, yes, yes. Of course, why not, bro? So this is Raju Kumar in front of you. I am connecting from Bihar, and I am a farmer. I am also a tuition teacher, and this time I am living in my home, in my home village, and I am teaching a student of class 9th and 10th. I teach mathematics and science. I don't teach English. And my father is a farmer. I am also a farmer, and sometime and happily half an hour means that in the afternoon session I just go to the my field with doing a lot of farming work, just like cultivating, just like giving to water, and I'm growing also different kind of vegetable, just like ladyfinger, cabbage, and this time cabbage I am growing, and cauliflower also I am growing.
Wow,
Tomato I am also growing.
it's very good. You are doing farming, and I think you have not to buy anything from the market.
Yes, 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 yes. I am not buying anything from the market, but just like oil, oil, I am mustard oil. I am just buying because I am not growing mustard. Okay,
Mm.
but just one land in a few land I am growing, but it is not sufficient for us to give more and more mustard oil. Okay,
Oh,
because this time I am just growing in my land wheat. I have planted wheat,
mm-hmm.
and the winter season is also providing mustard oil. But this time in my land I am not growing mustard.
Mm.
But some farmer in my village are growing mustard in this time, because you can see that mustard plant is growing in the winter season also, along with the wheat season.
Mm. So you are producing wheat, mustard oil,
Yes,
these
yes.
all types.
I also growing vegetables, different kind of vegetables. In this time, just cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, and Simla mirch means capsicum. Capsicum I am also growing, and I am also sending to the vendor.
No,
From
wow.
the market, vendor comes to my home, and just I give to the vendor. I sell that vegetable to the vendors, and the vendors takes me vegetables, and they go to the market and just sit down on the footpath, and they just sell to the customer.
Wow. So you get a lot of money.
No, no, no.
Okay.
But Bihar, but brother, you think that in Bihar, this day I am selling 5 rupees per cabbage. So what is profit inside me? You can guess. There is no profit in Bihar. Farmer.
But
Yes, yes.
it's very surprising. Oh,
Yes, yes, yes.
mm. Yeah, right
Because,
now because I think
because 3 months before I started my cabbage planting, and after that I gave butter. I just cultivate their area and just gave to the natural cow dung and manure, and after that they grow more and more, and after this time, after 2 months and 3 months, I am cutting 5 rupees per cabbage and broccoli also. So what is profit? There is no profit, just just some profit, not more profit.
Mhm, mhm. I can understand. But at the
Yes, but
starting time, it was so costly.
yes, starting
Start.
time so costly. In the month of August and September, it is very costly. But in my area, if I will plant cabbage in the month of September and October, so it is rainy season. So in my size, so soil is not suitable for growing the cabbage. But
Mm.
Ranchi area, there is very suitable for growing cabbage. So in the month of rainy season, just like September,
Mm.
October, and August, so cabbage comes from the Ranchi, not come from
Mm.
the Patna side.
Yeah. At that time, you don't have.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
But this
Okay.
time, no. Everybody is growing. Every farmer is growing cabbage. Every farmer is growing broccoli. Every farmer is growing all kinds of vegetables. So if the production is more and more, so there will be price less. We have studied in the economics classes, no, higher the price, lower the demand, and lower the price, higher the demand.
Yeah, I agree with you. So are you not satisfied right now?
Yes. But I am satisfied with my village and farming, because I like from starting from childhood up to the class, up to this age, I am doing farming along with my father, and this is my main occupation, and I am happy with my this work,
Hmm. Good.
because
But how?
this gives me a job, no, and this
Mm,
gives me employment, and this removes the poverty system, and this also removes unemployment problem of my family. So I am happy. What can I do? The government of Bihar is not successful to provide all the graduate person to give
mm.
job. So that is the main problem, no.
Do you get sufficient money in agriculture?
Yes. I get sufficient money, but sometimes drought comes in Bihar, and flood comes to the Bihar, and sometimes rainy season does not come at the time in the Bihar. So paddy I don't plant at the time in the month of August, September. So sometimes I get a huge loss, and sometimes I get not much profit, but some profit.
How much do you have sector land?
Yes. I am having 1 and 2 acre. I'm not a big farmer, just like Haryana and Punjab. But Punjab and Haryana government is very good, because they having harvesting machine, they having pump system, they having canal, they having a lot of water facility, they having manure, they having DAP, potash, urea, and they having different kind of new technology.
Yeah, yeah, I can understand. But you have a child?
No, I don't have child. My family is a farmer. All family is my farmer, and I am having one elder brother, one elder sister, and both are married, and I am still unmarried, and I am just doing farming.
Okay. So why are you not doing marriage?
Yes. But I think that in coming years I will think about that.
But except all things, it is also necessary for us.
Yeah. I
And
think that is very necessary. It is very necessary, but I'm thinking that I will settle in my life, and after that I will get married. So it will very beneficial for me, and also with my father also. But you know very well that in village area, if your family is not educated, so you will be having very big problem, and you will have to face many family problem.
mm, good. You're right.
Yes.
Okay, brother. Right now, my health is not so good, so I can't talk to you
Okay.
properly.
Because in my side also I am getting much darkness, because I am outside. No, so video quality will not be okay. So in coming, it means that after 2 days and after 3 days, I will talk to you more. No problem.